Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you a trick we use in jailbreaking the new iOS 14.1 and iOS 14.2. So if you've been wandering around waiting for the Chakra official website to release the standard version of the Chakra 0.10 0.11, because we have been using the beta version of 0.11, and they said they could release the standard version of 0.11, which will support the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus alone, while the iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone X till further notice, which we waited enough for them to release. Unfortunately, there is a patch we can use now to jailbreak both iPhone 7 till iPhone X. So in this video I'm going to show you the trick you're going to use. Though we have this method, you can either use Mac or you use Windows PC. So if you have Mac OS already installed on your Windows, or you have Mac PC already, then this tutorial is for you. Then I'm also going to do the Windows tutorial, which you are going to run this same method on that Ubuntu, which we all know Ubuntu support most of the Windows PC. So if you don't have a PC that you can install Mac OS on, you can just use your normal computer to install Ubuntu on it and then follow the same guide. Though I'm going to make the video and also drop it in the video description for you guys to see. So the first thing, all right, so here is my device. I have an iPhone X on iCloud and it's running iOS 14.1. now the file you're going to need for this tutorial is this iOS 14 Plus, that is from iOS 14, 14.1, 14.2 and later version of it whenever they release. So you're going to need this file. I will leave the video I will leave the link to this file in the video description so that you can go and get it yourself. You get this file, all right. So you should already have the beta version of Chakra 0.11 installed on your PC. So then you move it to your application folder like this. Get your patch file from the video link, the video description. Right, excuse me guys, I have to recopy the files again. I've lost them. So guys, this is what you should do. Install the normal Chakra 0.11 beta version, which is already on the Chakra official website, chakra.in. Then you move it to your application folder. You grab the patch file from the video description, and then you extract it on your machine. Then open the folder like this. You click on show package content. So you have both folders open. So all you need to do is just drag. You either copy or you just drag and drop this content folder of the patch to the Chakra content folder, which is already in your application folder. So you can see a pops here that says an item named content already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it with the one you are moving? All right, we already know what we're doing, so you just click replace and it's going to replace the word content inside this. So now you just press the back, and let it go. Then the next thing the next thing you do is go ahead and open terminal on your, you can search for it. If you have it on your dock as I do, you can just come and click it from here. So still same thing, you just have your terminal open. So now we have our terminal and we've already copied our patch files to the Chakra content. So now what we should do is we need to navigate into macOS. Just go back, show package content, open up the content folder. So this is the folder we need, macOS. So we want to navigate into this folder. If you're familiar with using CMD before, you will understand what I was trying to say. Whenever you're navigating into a folder, you need to use the command cd, which means go into. So cd on your terminal, you just type cd space, then you drag, and instead of spelling out the directory to this macOS folder, you just drag and drop the folder. You just drag the folder and drop it on your terminal. It's going to give you the direction. As you can see now, it's spelled out cd space /applications/chakra1n/0.11.app. So this is just the shortcut of it. You just type cd space and drag the folder, drop into it, press enter. So now it's already in the in this macOS folder. That's the first thing, and it's very important, guys. Don't miss that step. So after getting into the Chakra folder, the next thing you have to do is to give it to allow permission to that folder, so that it can read and write at the same time. To do that, just type chmod space, then +x, then Chakra1n. You get it? chmod +x space, then Chakra1n. You get it? So enter. Now this is just what you need to do, and the last command is going to run up the Chakra, including the patch in it, and then we'll continue. Just type Chakra1n Chakra1n space -c. So at this stage, you've already got it. All you need to do now is put your device in DFU and then press enter. That's just what we want to do now. So here's our device. All we need to do is sorry for the noise, it's from the neighborhood. No. All right, so all you need to do now is just plug your device. Here is it now. Let me show you. Let me open up my Chakra so that you guys will see I'm really on iOS 14.1. See guys, sorry, iPhone X GSM is not supported on iOS 14.1 at this moment. That's it. So this is the reason why you cannot use the iPhone 11 this is the reason why you cannot use the Chakra 0.11.0 beta version to jailbreak this iPhone. You just have to use this trick we are using now. So after doing this, you just head over and pull your device to DFU. Let me open up my Chakra so that I can track the status of what's going on. Okay, it's like the device is already in DFU now. So all you need to do, okay, all you need to do now is just press enter, and you can see this is the script now running. Okay, wait and see the magic that will just happen now. It's booting up the device. The device should boot up now, and then the jailbreak should just work like magic. So same thing as I told you guys, if you don't have access to any Mac OS or you don't have access to Mac PC, you can just install Ubuntu or Linux on your normal Windows PC, and then you follow the other video I'm going to do on how to use this same method when using Ubuntu. So you just have to wait for it. If it fails, try again. Just keep trying. This just it, and you have your phone jailbroken successfully. So now I have a timeout error up here. So all I need to do is just close it up and then do it again. I don't have to drag and drop, the code is already there, so I can just navigate and just running this week, but I don't think alright. So this is what happened. It failed at the first moment. The first attempt it failed when booting on the devices. So I just wanted to try the stuffs again. That's why I close the terminal and run a fresh check route on the terminal, just the normal way we did it at the first place. So I just press down the power button and then the volume down for this device to come up, so that I will try again, and unfortunately it continued from where it stopped the other time, waiting for the device in DFU. So immediately when the device boot up, it just run to the jailbreak page, and then the checker the patch just continued from where it failed the other time, and then it shows all done. That means we have successfully jailbroken this device. So now we already have our iOS 14.1. This method also works for iOS 14.2. so whichever one you have, you just use this same. So now we head back to the bypass. If you guys want to bypass any iOS 14, just any iCloud bypass, you can just chat us on WhatsApp or join our Telegram group. The link will also be dropped in the video description, so that we can help you guys. Whichever iOS version you have, we can help you on that. That's also the tool I'm going to use That's also the tool I'm going to use for bypassing this device. You guys will also see it and you witness how the tool works and everything. So see you in the next shot. When we boot up on Windows, I'm going to explain everything about the tool and what it does to you guys. See you in the next shot. So guys, now to bypass an iOS 14.1 or 14.2, after jailbreaking the device, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download this tool. This is our official iCloud bypass tool. You get that tool and you extract it on your C drive. So here is the tool. And if you visited the website, if you visited the link, you see these two files with the two text files which contain the procedure of the bypass, and then there is bypass to because V9.1, and then there is FMI off, which is the Find My iPhone off 2 version 7. So the one you're going to download if you are bypassing activation lock screen as mine, like this, as mine on hello screen, you're going to need this bypass Big Boss 9.1. That's the two. So I've already downloaded mine. I don't have to download it again. You extract it, copy it to your C drive. Yeah. Now to do the bypass, you need to pass all the setup to activation lock. Don't leave it on hello screen or on the country selection page or language selection page. Make sure you connect to network, and when it comes to the activation lock screen, you leave it like that. Then you connect your device to your computer. Then you run the Big Boss tool, the bypass tool. So now after running the tool is going to source the information of your device. It will source the information of your device and paste it on the tool. Okay, as you can see, this is my email number, this is my serial number, and the device, if it's made, it's going to show you that the device is made, and now the device is made. That's why it's made. And the iOS version, as you can see, iOS 14, and then this is the device identifier, and activation status is unactivated. So this is my SIM status and then my UD ID. So now you can see an error that pops saying serial number. This is my serial number. It says it's not activated. Please contact and authorize dealer to make payment access. So now for your device, for this to work, your device through, you have to register the serial number. Now if you want to register your serial number, kindly message us on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number will be placed under this will be placed somewhere on the screen, so that you guys can go ahead and chat us up to register your serial number. You can see below here it says serial number is not activated, so you cannot bypass it. You can see the button, the activate button is still dead, that is not clickable. So all you need to do is just get your serial number and chat one of our admin. Chat the WhatsApp number on the screen, so that your serial number will be registered on the server. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate my serial number, and then we'll continue with the video. as you can see, the serial number is success. That is, I've successfully added the serial number. So if you chat us up, we are going to collect your serial number. You make the payment, and then we will add your serial number to the database. So now I'll have to restart it. So after restarting the two, we are hoping not to get this serial number is not activated stuff. So let me just restart the app. Now you can see for the second time we don't have that information that says serial number not activated. And see below down here it says so the other time, and now we see it says ready. So again, make sure your device is on activation screen like mine. So you just click on activate, and now the bypass will begin to activate your device. So just sit back and wait for the part finished. Okay, the activation process has begun. You can see the progress by 10%. Just have to wait for it to finish everything. So now this is going to take some time. Just give it a moment and sit back. Timer is almost 2 minutes now, and the percentage is still progressing, now at 90%. You can see the device has rebooted now. Activation successfully. It has activated the device successfully. It has activated the device now. Just have to close the other windows. Please do not update, erase or restore your device, otherwise you need to activate it again. Though the activation, the second time activation, you don't have to, it won't ask you for any additional payment. So if you just pay for the serial number once, you can redo it anytime. Now disconnect phone from the PC. That's 100%. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can see the device now. Everything will work perfectly. You'll be able to make call, browse the internet, and do whatever you want to do. This is running iOS. So let me show you guys. This is running iOS 14.1. This also work for iOS 14.2, a later version. So